welcome to another episode of Walk With Me. Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina, your friendly Jamaican tour guide. If you are interested in Jamaican vlogs, historical videos, and real-to-life views of the streets of Montego Bay, then you are on the right channel. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Today we are going to do a walk with me tour of the Bogue City Center. We're going to take it from the outside first. The city of Montego Bay has seen a rise in housing and commercial developments in recent years, which is transforming Montego Bay, Jamaica into somewhat of a quote-unquote modern construction mecca. Bogue City Center complex was opened in 2008 and is only walking distance from the Bogue Village housing scheme. The complex houses Jamaica's largest ATL retail outlet and other offices and stores. It is situated on the Bogue Main Road, a short distance from the Fairview Shopping Center. Okay, great. So now we're in the plaza. There's the Studio Montego Bay. I'm not sure what that is. If someone knows in the comment section, please let me know. And there we have King Alarm Systems. I'm going to step back a bit so that we're able to see the place clearly. All right. I think the next office is the firearm licensing office, firearm licensing service. I think that's what the next office is. It's a pretty big parking lot, as you can see. Place is very quiet, even though we're on the highway. The plaza is pretty quiet. See a lot of vehicles here, so you know that there are persons inside the building, but it's mostly offices that we have here, so that's why you don't really see a lot of persons walking around. Sunshine Dialysis Center, and this is a medical center. And this building that we're coming up on is a school center. And then over here we have Matahari for furniture and home accessories. Fine furniture and home accessories. So as you can see, as I was telling you, the big parking lot. Down that side is the exit or entrance that I told you about when I was at the front of the plaza of the complex. So we're just gonna go all the way down to that side so you can see the entrance. So that section is on the main road, on the Bogue main road. So here we're seeing Wesinco office. Okay, so we're just going to come out here and then we are going to go back inside the plaza and take it from the other side. So there's another section that I didn't show you just now, so we're going to go back around. I just wanted to show you what it looks like out here as well. So nice little setup over there. That's actually the Bogue village that we're seeing. All right. Right, so let's take it back inside now. All right, so there's their number if you need to call them. All right, so ATL is over that side, and that's the parking lot, I think, for the cars that they sell. Those are the cars that they're selling, the parking lot. I cannot walk over into that side. Please do not ask me to. Thank you. And we're going to go around that side, but we're going to take it from the inside. Okay? All right, so I think this is where their showroom is, the showroom on the inside. Okay, thank you very much for watching, my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time. Welcome to another episode of Drive With Me. Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina, your friendly Jamaican tour guide. If you are interested in Jamaican vlogs, historical videos, and real-to-life views of the streets of Montego Bay, then you are on the right channel. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. On today's episode of Drive With Me, we're going to take a drive to the Bogue City Center. Our journey will start at Alica Eldemire Drive, then of course on the Bogue Main Road. I will be doing a tour of the Bogue City Center, but that will be in my next video.
Over there is the area going to over there, so?
Okay, thank you very much for watching, my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.